We need to build the new road right over there. We will do vanilla first, then strawberry, then chocolate. Hold it right there. Don't drop it yet.
Relax, Porky. I'm a professional.
Smooth enough. Get your toppings. Ready for the dump, Daffy? Get your toppings! Sprinkles! Models! Finish! Well, team, it a little wobbly. But we didn't finish the cherry.
Point!
Take away Tweety's detour. Got and have Tweety lift the slope tracks to connect them.
Perfect. Happy birthday, Taz! We could build a slingshot. Bah! I've got a plan that just might work.
Almost got it!
I believe that one of my plans was a big mistake.
And now I'm flying! Flying!
Nice!
You make a great leader, Porky. You're done good, Porky. I'll shock everyone. Finished. I didn't think that pretty gray.
Well, team, it a little wobbly.
Happy birthday, Taz! Happy birthday! Here's a present for you. Black. I believe that one of my plans was a big mistake. Go! They're falling too fast! Focus, Daffy! You gotta finish before they do!
Your site is completely different than our plans. How's it look, Tweety?
Almost got it! You make a great leader, Porky. You're done good, Porky. Bah! Happy birthday, Taz!
Don't be so hard on yourself, honey.
I'm really racing. I'm really racing. We gotta finish before they do! I gave it first! I can't keep up!
My ice house is ready!
You're my best friend, Taz! I can paint super high up now! I'm flying!
Now, your carrot tool.
Step 1. Sort the parts.
That's great, Tweety.
Now, we need to build our playground too. All of our designs have been a failure. Maybe we can make a new plan.
I can do this!
For such a speedy job, you'll get the Best Racetrack Builder Award. You're Daffy! I'm not afraid of heights. Meep, meep! They're falling too fast! I'm really racing! Racing!
I'm really racing! We can make a slide!
Not bad for a day's work.
It's stupendous, absolutely stupendous.
Just a little bit more to the left, Porky!
Oh, suffer and succotash. Look out below.
I honestly didn't think we'd finish that in time.
We definitely earned this mac and cheese.
To the dream team.
Look at it go, absolutely perfect this time.
The sky bridges are incredible from here. We finally did it.
Look, Porky, what I'm trying to say is that teamwork was essential, especially when it came to, when it came to building the tower.
I tweed the diamond, Mr. Coyote, but it's just too fragile. Well, folks, we did it!
The most delicious construction project yet.
Cheers!
Your efficiency on the revised project has been truly remarkable. Therefore, on behalf of the committee, I...
Lion! Come on! Lion! Needs more blue right up to the edge. Watch the height, that's still too low. Now blend it nicely.
To the successful build and the best ice cream in the world.
Yeah, Cheers, everyone!
You missed a spot, Sylvester! Now get back to work, or no bird seed for you!
I thought I was free, but now I'm frozen solid.
This is the life, Porky! Absolutely stupendous! But Daffy, the temperature gauge is broken!
This is difficult work, Tweety.
Uh-oh! Here comes trouble! Observe the efficiency of the laser! Propose a new plan to build our playground, too!
The final inspection confirms it. Absolutely flawless. The structural integrity is optimal.
Well done, everyone.
I think I overdid it. It's boiling.